Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very simple method that you can actually use to stop those itchiness of eye, redness of eye, and every other stuff. Okay, this is actually very simple and effective method. Okay, so you would have to give it a little time and you would have to do it. Yeah, basically. Okay guys, so do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and let me take you right into the video. To stop itchiness, get on healthy eyesight, gonna be needing some garlic. Okay, so garlic is very healthy in using it for many stuff. Okay, so we're gonna be using it for the eye, and watch very careful to see how I'm actually gonna be making this. Okay, okay guys, so after doing that, then I'm going to be peeling it. Okay, so after peeling this, then we'll have to be cutting that. So after that okay, so we're going to equally be needing some red onion. For this ingredient you have to use red onion, guys. Okay, now the reason is because red onion is actually stronger than white onion. Yeah, okay, so this is actually the first ingredient, and here I have honey. Now after cutting this together, I'm mixing it. Honey, you have to use some honey. Okay, so you put in some honey in here, and then you mix it all up together. Now after mixing this, then every morning, afternoon, or whatever time, guys, whatever time, okay, it mustn't be in the morning, whatever time, you can actually just take 1 spoon of this and you just chew it. Okay, now when you chew it, you're going to be feeling the effect straight into your eyes. Okay, the onion, the garlic, the effect is going to go straight into your eyes, as well as doing some other stuff. Yeah, this ingredient works for other stuff, but let's use it for the eyesight today. Okay, so just try this. Now I'm going to be showing you another method that you are going to be using to improve the itchiness of your eye and improve your eyesight. So my baby is saying hello to you guys. Okay, so you can actually take this in the morning and in the evening for a whiter eyesight. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing for the second method is carrots. Okay, now carrot contains a whole lot of nutrients that helps to improve the eyesight. It equally helps to make your eye whiter and it remove redness. Okay, but in case you are actually smoking, man, this might not work, so you have to leave some habits to be able to get an utmost result. Okay, all right, so that's it. Now what you do now is to cut the carrot. Okay, so after doing that, then we'll have to blend it. Alright, so now you can choose to strain the carrot out, or you can choose to drink it plus all of the carrot fiber. Anyone you decide to take is better. So we're also going to be needing some onion here. Now for the onion, we're going to dice one full red onion, and then we're going to put it into the blender. That we're going to be putting in water to blend. Then we're going to blend juice. So let's sieve the fiber out and have just our juice. And then we'll equally be needing some garlic also. So you can take about 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, so this is it. 3 cloves of garlic. Yep. We're equally going to be blending it. With enough water so that you can actually use the water for the juice, yeah? Okay, so now we're going to be sieving it out. And here is the garlic juice, the onion juice, and the carrot juice, as well as the combination of the ginger, of the garlic and the onion. So we're going to be bringing in our glass and pour in the onion juice. I love the color of onion juice; it's so beautiful. Okay, and pour in the garlic juice as well. And then we mix in the carrot juice. This makes it so beautiful. Okay, so after doing that, then you stir. Okay, so if you can't actually eat this particular one, why not do this juice and enjoy? Okay, and it helps for any itchiness of eye. It's remove all of those redness. and it's also help for the skin. Okay, so you can actually make this and enjoy if you can't take this, but this is actually effective, just like this is effective. Okay, so that's it. Let me have a take of this. It's so yummy and it tastes great. It doesn't taste bad at all, not at all. It tastes, the sweetness of the carrots has actually overpowered the onion and all of that, so you can actually put more carrot, okay, and put less of the onion, but it's still very effective. So go give this a go. Do you know red onion alone, like plus honey, can actually do the job, but you have to mix it up with garlic and you're good to go. Or you can actually do it as juice, just like I showed you, and it's going to be super duper amazing and very effective also. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye guys, and stay healthy.